Notice your eyebrows thinning lately. Maybe one side looks patchy or the tail of your brow is fading away. You're not alone. Eyebrow hair loss, or matarosis, affects both men and women, and it can happen for all kinds of reasons. The good news, you can absolutely take steps to bring them back. Let's start with why eyebrow hair loss happens. The most common causes include 1. Over-plucking or waxing. Too much grooming can damage follicles. 2. Aging. As we age, hair growth naturally slows. 3. Thyroid problems, especially hypothyroidism, which can thin out the outer ends of your brows. 4. Autoimmune disorders like alopecia areata, where the immune system mistakenly attacks hair follicles. 5. Nutrient deficiencies, particularly iron, biotin, zinc, and vitamin D. 6. Stress or hormonal changes. Big culprits behind hair thinning everywhere, not just your scalp. Okay, now let's talk solutions. First, if your eyebrow loss is sudden or severe, see a dermatologist to rule out medical causes like thyroid issues or autoimmune disorders. But for everyday thinning, here's what actually helps. Nourish from the inside out. Eat foods rich in protein, iron, zinc, and omega-3s, things like eggs, salmon, spinach, and pumpkin seeds. Try natural oils. Castor oil, coconut oil, and rosemary oil can strengthen follicles and improve circulation when massaged gently every night. Supplement wisely. Talk to your doctor about adding biotin, vitamin D, or collagen if your diet is lacking. Avoid over-tweezing. Let those brows grow freely for a while. Yes, even the weird patchy hairs. Manage stress. Meditation, exercise, and sleep can actually boost regrowth since chronic stress triggers hair shedding. For medical options, dermatologists often suggest topical minoxidil, Rogaine, to stimulate new growth. Dermatoprost latisse, the lash serum that can help brows too. Eyebrow transplants or microblading for more permanent fixes. If you want to stay all natural, focus on consistency. Natural remedies take time, but results can be seen in 6-12 weeks. Thinning brows don't have to be permanent. With a mix of good nutrition, natural oils, and a little patience, you can help your brows grow back thicker and healthier than ever. Don't forget to check out our other videos on natural hair and skin remedies. And hit that subscribe button for weekly natural health tips.